All right, guys. So Crave sent us their Protection Series case. We got a couple different views of them. So we have this green colorway, and I'm going to be showing you what this ruby red looking colorway, which looks pretty sweet, is their guard protection, ultra slimline design here, right? And I do like it. They have some sick designs when it comes to protecting cell phones. You can see this awesome look on the back of this one. And let's go ahead and see what this red color looks like, because I don't know, I'm into something different usually, seeing kind of a different overall view, and these Crave cases definitely do it. They have a super slimline design, which is awesome. They protect really well. Ooh, check out that red. That's kind of like that port wine color look to it, and I am digging it. Kind of a dual color. You got a little more purple and a little more red on it. And if it fits anything like the green one I have on my cell phone, I'm going to be super excited about this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we are working with here. Okay. So let's go ahead and see. So you can take a look at the red. Still got that same design look. Your buttons are going to be covered up just like the other one with the black buttons. You have the portholes on the bottom, which is super important. Your protection on the iPhone side of things, which is super important on these lenses. This is crazy expensive to fix, and they are giving you proper protection, so you're not going to have any droppage issues on those. And last but not least, take a look at the side. You have one little opening here with that new iPhone, kind of that camera shot, and then your iPhone button. I don't know what those things are called, but at the end of the day, you're getting good protection there. But overall, check it out. That's that red port wine versus that army green color. These things look super sweet. You gotta definitely check out Crave cases because they are doing something right. Check them out, guys.